Humidifiers and diffusers are two popular devices that enhance indoor environments, but they serve very different purposes. While both release mist into the air, their functions, benefits, and applications vary significantly. Humidifiers are primarily designed to combat dry air by adding moisture to the atmosphere, which is essential for maintaining optimal humidity levels. Diffusers, on the other hand, are used for aromatherapy by dispersing essential oils into the air to create a soothing and fragrant environment. Although they may appear similar at first glance, their differences go beyond aesthetics and extend to their functionality, health benefits, and usage scenarios. Understanding these distinctions can help you make an informed decision about which device is right for your needs. Visual differences. The visual design of humidifiers and diffusers reflects their specific purposes. Humidifiers are generally larger in size, with water tanks that can hold anywhere from 1 liter to over 5 liters of water. Their designs are often functional rather than decorative, as they are built to emit large amounts of moisture into the air over extended periods. Most humidifiers have a plain plastic exterior with a utilitarian look, although some modern models aim to blend into home decor with sleeker designs. Diffusers, in contrast, are smaller and more visually appealing. They often feature artistic designs with materials like ceramic, glass, or wood finishes to complement interior aesthetics. Many diffusers also include LED lighting options that can cycle through colors or create effects like flickering flames to enhance ambiance. These features make diffusers not just functional devices, but also decorative elements for living spaces. Range of applications. The applications of humidifiers and diffusers differ based on their primary functions. Humidifiers are used in environments where maintaining proper humidity levels is critical. They are especially useful during winter when indoor heating systems dry out the air or in air-conditioned rooms where low humidity can cause discomfort. Humidifiers are commonly found in bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and any area where dry air might lead to health issues or damage furniture and electronics. Diffusers are designed for more specific applications related to aromatherapy and ambiance creation. They work best in smaller spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, yoga studios, or offices where people want to relax or enjoy the therapeutic effects of essential oils. Unlike humidifiers, which address environmental dryness on a broader scale, diffusers focus on enhancing mood and well-being through scent. Function. The fundamental function of a humidifier is to increase the moisture content in the air to maintain optimal humidity levels, typically between 30% and 50%. There are several types of humidifiers. Ultrasonic humidifiers use high-frequency vibrations to produce a fine mist. Evaporative humidifiers use a fan to blow air through a wet wick or filter. Steam vaporizers heat water to create steam that cools before being released into the air. Impeller humidifiers use rotating discs to fling water into the air as mist. Each type serves the same goal but uses different mechanisms suited for various needs. Diffusers operate by dispersing essential oils into the air along with a small amount of water vapor in ultrasonic models. There are 4 main types of diffusers. Ultrasonic diffusers use vibrations to mix water and essential oil into a fine mist. Nebulizing diffusers disperse pure essential oils without using water. Heat diffusers use heat to evaporate essential oils into the air. Evaporative diffusers use airflow to release essential oil particles. While humidifiers focus on increasing moisture levels in a room, diffusers prioritize spreading fragrance and therapeutic compounds from essential oils. Purpose and benefits. The primary purpose of a humidifier is to alleviate problems caused by dry air. Proper humidity levels can prevent issues like dry skin, chapped lips, irritated sinuses, nosebleeds, and respiratory discomfort. Additionally, humidifiers help protect wooden furniture from cracking and prevent static electricity buildup in electronics caused by overly dry conditions. Diffusers aim to improve emotional well-being through aromatherapy. By dispersing essential oils like lavender for relaxation, peppermint for focus, or eucalyptus for respiratory relief, diffusers create an environment that promotes relaxation or boosts energy depending on the oil used. They also help mask unpleasant odors in a room and can purify the air when antimicrobial oils like tea tree or lemon are used. Health benefits. Humidifiers offer numerous health benefits by addressing dryness-related issues. Respiratory relief. Moist air soothes nasal passages and prevents irritation caused by dry conditions. Skin hydration helps combat dryness that leads to itchy skin or cracked lips. Improved sleep reduces snoring caused by dry throat or nasal passages. Cold symptom relief eases coughing and congestion during illnesses. Diffusers provide health benefits through aromatherapy rather than moisture control. Stress reduction. Essential oils like lavender or chamomile promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. Improved sleep quality. Oils such as cedarwood or bergamot help induce restful sleep. Respiratory support. Eucalyptus or peppermint oils can clear nasal passages during colds or allergies. Mood enhancement. Citrus oils like orange or lemon uplift mood and boost energy levels. However, it's important to note that while humidifiers directly impact physical health by improving air quality, diffusers primarily affect emotional well-being through scent. Additional features. Modern humidifiers come with advanced features for convenience and efficiency. Adjustable mist settings, cool or warm mist. Automatic shutoff when water levels are low. Built-in hygrometers for monitoring humidity levels. Whisper quiet operation for use in bedrooms or nurseries. Some models even combine humidification with air purification. Diffusers often include features aimed at enhancing ambiance. LED lighting with customizable colors or effects, e.g. flickering flames. Timer settings for controlled diffusion periods. Adjustable mist intensity for varying fragrance strength. Compact designs that fit easily on desks or nightstands. These additional features make both devices versatile tools for improving indoor environments. Maintenance. Humidifiers require regular cleaning due to their larger water tanks and potential for mold or bacteria growth if left uncleaned. Filters in evaporative models may also need periodic replacement. Neglecting maintenance can result in poor air quality or even health risks like respiratory infections caused by contaminated mist. Diffusers are easier to maintain because they use smaller water reservoirs and simpler mechanisms. However, they still need periodic cleaning to remove oil residue that could clog the device over time. Proper maintenance ensures both devices function efficiently and safely. Limitations. Each device has its limitations based on its design. 1. Humidifiers cannot disperse essential oils unless specifically designed as hybrid models, and even then with limited effectiveness. Using oils in regular humidifiers can damage their internal components. 2. Diffusers do not significantly alter humidity levels due to their small water reservoirs and limited output capacity. They are not suitable for addressing dryness-related issues in large spaces. For those who want both functionalities, humidification and aromatherapy, hybrid devices combining these features may be an option, but often compromise on performance compared to standalone units. So, which one is better? In essence, choose a humidifier if you're dealing with dry indoor air that causes physical discomforts like dry skin, respiratory irritation, or static electricity buildup. Opt for a diffuser if your goal is aromatherapy to create a calming atmosphere, relieve stress, improve mood, or enjoy the therapeutic benefits of essential oils. Both devices serve unique purposes but can complement each other when used together. For instance, pairing a humidifier with a diffuser allows you to maintain proper humidity while enjoying the emotional benefits of aromatherapy, a perfect combination for creating a comfortable and relaxing indoor environment tailored to your needs.